Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, logo part 2. So all of you know what's a logo? Logo is a software, right? And what it is used for? It is used for creating beautiful drawings. Okay, so when you are typing the command, you are giving the command to the computer, and the computer executes that command and it processes the drawing. Okay, so let us see. So when you open the when you open the my MSW logo screen, you will see like this screen. Okay, you will see here, this is the turtle here. This is the home of the turtle. Okay, where the turtle rests. Okay, this is the turtle, triangle shaped, it is there, it is called the turtle. And the window in which the drawing is created is called graphics window. You can see here, this is down here, you can see here input box is there at the down. You can see here input window is there. In their input window you enter the command and it will see in the here recall list box, it is there. Here you can see the command which you are typing. Okay, and the turtle will perform the task here. Okay, so these are all the buttons: halt, trace, bus, pause, status, step, reset. But we are not going to learn this because of no use. We are only going to learn about the commands. Now let us see detail about logo. So what is a logo? We have learned some basic logo commands in the previous chapter, and you are able to draw simple logo drawing like square, triangle, star, etc. In this chapter, we will learn some more advanced logo commands and some of the important options of logo menu. Now students, you can see here in the previous year we have learned about the logo, right? In previous year we have learned how to draw square, triangle, star. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn more about logo. We will learn some advanced logo commands and important options of logo menu. Okay, so which we have discussed in live class also. We have learned in the live class how to do that only I am going to explain in this video. Okay, so let us learn more. Let us quickly revise the basic commands of logo. So let us revise what we have learned in the previous year about the commands, right? First one is FD, to move the turtle in the forward direction. So FD means forward command, it's move the turtle in the forward direction. BK, to move the turtle in the forward direction, to move the turtle in the backward direction. BK means to move the turtle into backward direction. RT, to turn the turtle heads to right side. LT, to turn the turtle's head on left side. Okay, so FD means forward command, BK means backward command, RT means right turn command, and LT means left turn commands. CS, to clear the logo screen and to bring the turtle at its home position. In the first slide we have seen where is the home position of the turtle, where it rests. Okay, when from where it starts the drawing, so it's the home position of the turtle. So when you are writing CS, it will clear the logo screen, the drawing will be erased and the turtle will come to its home position. CT, to clear the commands given to the logo. So what does CT does? It clears the commands given to the logo. HT, to hide the turtle. ST, to display the hidden turtle. So CT, when you are typing the commands, if you want there are more commands, you can erase the all the commands which are in the recall list. HT means to hide the turtle and ST means to show the turtle. Next, home, to bring the turtle to its home position. that is in the center of the logo screen. So the turtle comes to its home position, means at the center of the logo screen. So home command is typed. When you type the clean command, to clear the screen without changing the turtle's position. Okay. So in this, the turtle position will be not changed, but the screen on which drawing is there, it will be cleared. PU, to lift the turtle's pen up so that it will not draw lines when moved. Okay. This command is very important, PU, because in this turtle will move but it will not draw. Okay. So you can take the turtle anywhere with this command. PD, to put the turtle's pen down to again start drawing by moving the turtle. Okay. When PU means pen up, PD means pen down. So when you are putting the turtle's pen down, it will start drawing. Okay. When PU command is given, the turtle will not draw, and when PD command is given, the turtle will draw the drawing. Okay. Now here you can see here it is a picture given here. You can see this is the pen size. Okay. You have to select set, then you can click on the pen size. Okay. You can see here different this is a single line. If you want to make it thick, okay, the line you want thick, so you can select the thickness of the line. You can select by the scroll bar, or you can select from here. Then you have to press OK button, then the line will become thick. Now to change the pen size, as we have seen in the picture, same it is here. The pen size option of set menu is used to increase or decrease the thickness of the pen with which turtle draws the diagram. So pen size option of set menu is used to increase or decrease the thickness of the pen with which turtle draws the diagram. Clicking on set pen size option will display the dialog box. So here you can see, clicking on set pen size option will display the dialog box. You can select different pen size by selecting on them, or you can set the pen size by sliding the size of the scroll bar. So as we have learned in that diagram, you have to select the pen size and it will increase or decrease as per your wish. Okay. So this was our lecture on logo. Okay. So let us take a brief view what we have learned. So we have learned about the MS logo screen. It looks like this. Here you have to put the commands and the turtle will do the drawing. Okay. This is the home position of the turtle and this is the turtle positions. Okay. And you can draw many you can draw square, triangle and stars. Okay. And many different drawing you can draw using logo. FD is forward command, BK is backward command, RT is for right turn command, LT is for left turn command. CS is for clear screen, CT is for clear text. Okay. ST is to hide turtle and ST is to show turtle. Home is used to take the turtle to its home position. Clean is used to clear the screen without changing the turtle's position. PU, to lift the turtle's pen up so that it will not draw lines when moved. Okay. The turtle will move but it will not draw. Okay. So that is the pen up. Pen down, to put the turtle's pen down to again start drawing by moving the turtle. So by PD you can again start the drawing with the turtle. Now this is the pen size which we have learned. We can select the thickness and by scroll bar we can also do this. So by clicking on set pen size, and by selecting we can reduce the pen size, we can reduce the thickness of the pen size. So this for our lecture for logos part 2. So read this chapter once again and stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you.